Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Snehal and in this video I will explain you basics of determinants. So let's get started. Now what is determinant? Determinant is a representation of numbers that has a particular value. Determinant is a unique value which is associated with square matrix only. Now square matrix means the matrix which is having number of rows and number of columns as equal. M is equal to n. Now determinant is always represented in these vertical lines and it is written as determinant of A or mod A, and the value of this determinant is also denoted as this triangle. Every number that is written in these two vertical lines is called as element of that determinant. Every vertical arrangement is called as column of determinant and every horizontal arrangement is called as row of that element. So consider this representation is called as determinant of order 2. Now AB is called as row 1 of determinant, CD is called as row 2 of determinant. Now this AC is called as column 1 of determinant and this BD is called as column 2. Now value associated with this determinant is called as AD minus BC, which is nothing but subtraction of cross multiplication, and the number AD minus BC is called as value of this determinant. So let's see one example so that you can understand it better. Let's consider this determinant. Now we have to calculate value of this determinant. So it is equal to AD minus BC. That means here we have to multiply 5 into 4 and then minus 1 into 3 by 2. So let's solve this. It is 20 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 20 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 43 by 2. So this is the value of this determinant of order 2. Now consider second example. Here we have given the determinant of order 2, which is 3x, 7x and x plus 1, and value of this determinant is 32. And we have to find the value of x. So similarly, now we will multiply these two elements and these two elements. So let's do it. 3x into x plus 1 minus 7 into x, which is equal to 3x square plus 3x minus 7x. So let's solve this. This 32 will come to this side. Now let's solve this quadratic equation with the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 32. Now substitute the values of a, b and c into this formula. So we will get let's solve this equation. So x is equal to minus minus plus 4 plus or minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 into bracket divided by 6. So which is equal to 4 plus or minus. Answer of this is 20. So which is equal to 24 by 6, or x is equal to 4, or x is equal to minus 8 by 3. So this is the answer. So that's all for this video. We will see determinants of order 3 and how to find value of it in next video. If you have any doubts, you can ask it in comment section or you can mail me. I'll put my email ID in the description box. See you guys. Thanks for watching.